Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Mind Fashion Studio. Dear friends and subscribers, how are you? I hope you are fine and hope well. Today I have many pairs for you. May Allah give you happiness and success. Today I will talk about most stylish and most demanding women collection, cross-stitch embroidery, handmade, different colors, birds, designs. My dear friends, today I am going to showing very attractive handmade pastry pattern ideas. This is very beautiful and elegant, tarkashi and charts with embroidery design and pattern design. Very beautiful, very stylish cross-stitch embroidery. I have only ideas, videos. I must suggest you watch this video. Gorgeous, stylish and elegant design. I hope you like my video. If you want to watch more videos, you visit to my YouTube channel and watch my other videos and get more ideas. These cross-stitch designs are also available in the market on reasonable prices. You can also visit the market. These cross-stitch designs are very eye-catching, contrasting and fascinating style. My dear friends, subscribe my YouTube channel, press the bell icon. After pressing the bell icon, you will get a notification of my videos and never miss my video collection of my channel, Mind Fashion Studio. If you like this video, do click the like button and share videos with friends, family members and all the social media accounts. So do not need total me in the comment section to help me how was my videos. Thanks so much for watching my video of my channel. Can help you to give beautiful ideas about different color birds patterns. See you again with different collection, design, style and color combination for you. Friends, please again subscribe my YouTube channel and wait for my new video. I always try to bring useful ideas according to your choice. Bundle of thanks. Take care friend. Allah Hafiz.